marching in lines, lost to the score. But life's a melody, it's time to explore. Each moment a note in this fast symphony. But we rush through the tune, seeking victory. Forgetting to linger, to savor each sound. In the music of life where joy is found. Life's not a road but a melody. Notes that we chase with our yearning hearts. Lost in the chase, where's the harmony? Forgetting that life's a work of art. So we play, just to play. Letting music light our way.
Every breath a whisper, in every step a dance. Composing our stories with every glance.
No rush to the ending, just live in the sway. Let the melody guide us night and today. No more rushing tempos, let's slow down the pace. Let etching on woven gods unite. Heartbeats, rhythm, our song in the night. Softly whispering, let's shine in the light. So we play, just to play. Finding joy along the way. In the pause between notes, that's where we breathe. Moments of silence we often don't see. We're living in rhythms, hearts intertwined. With every beat a moment to find. Not a race to the end, but a symphony. Life's a song setting our spirits free. So we play, simply play. Let the music light our way.
You down the road where I go. Life's a fleeting melody and life's a dream. Twinkling star goes in the cosmic seas, guiding us gently through eternity. Every sunrise a cool